Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Face ID or fingerprint logging is not working in the Barclays app, start by checking that the biometrics are enabled on your phone or not. Go to your settings app and then search for Face ID and passcode and make sure that you've enabled Face ID and password for the Barclays app as well. Then open the Barclays app settings and turn biometrics on. Then close the app, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for the app, swipe it away, wait for a few seconds, then reopen it and log in using your password. Go back to settings and re-enable Face ID or fingerprint login. Restart your phone and try again. If biometric login still does not work, uninstall and reinstall the app, then set it up again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.